Why do people faint? Fainting can be a bit scary, but let's learn why it happens and what to do if someone faints. What is fainting? Fainting is when someone suddenly loses consciousness for a short time. They might fall down and seem like they're sleeping. Why it happens? Fainting happens when your brain doesn't get enough blood and oxygen. This can be caused by standing up too quickly, being very hot or dehydrated, feeling very scared or shocked, not eating enough food. How to help? If someone faints, here's what you can do. Help them lie down flat, raise their legs a bit to help blood flow to the brain, make sure they have fresh air, stay with them until they wake up and feel better. Preventing fainting. To avoid fainting, you can drink plenty of water, eat regular meals, move slowly when standing up, stay cool in hot weather. Is fainting serious? Fainting is usually not serious and people wake up quickly, but if someone faints often or takes a long time to wake up, they should see a doctor. Now you know why people faint and how to help if it happens. Stay safe and take care of your body to avoid feeling faint.